it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you my Feelunique Pick and Mix for this month. So yes, like I say, today's video is this month's Pick and Mix. The Pick and Mix service, if you don't know or haven't seen any of my videos previously on it, go check those out. But anyway, the Feelunique Pick and Mix service is basically you go on the Feelunique website onto the Pick and Mix section. I will link that down below for you. And you can choose a whole host of different samples. You get to choose 5 per month. So I can't remember what date I ordered this, but let's say I ordered this on the 15th and then I wouldn't be able to order again until the 15th next month. But basically it's $3.99 and you can pick 5 samples. There are bigger samples, there are smaller samples. Some months you get really, really lucky and there are some amazing, quite big samples. So you definitely get your money's worth. And the £3.99 that you pay, Feelunique will actually give you back as a voucher to spend on their website. So basically you end up getting your pick and mix items for free, which is the best price, isn't it guys? Come on. So some months I get them in these little bags. Sometimes I get more of like a cardboard envelope. Sometimes I get a box, depending on the samples sizes obviously that I get. On the Feelunique website then there's lots to choose from. You get to choose from hair care, skin care. There are like perfumes, there's makeup, there's just a lot of things. There's even things for men on there, things for women, things for everybody. So I think it's definitely worth checking out. Recently, I don't think I've done one for a little while because nothing's blown me away on there. There was actually something a month or two ago on there that I was really quite excited to get, but I didn't have my new bank card details on me to put it on. And by the time that I went to go and order it, once I had my bank card, then the thing had sold out. See, when they get good deals on Feelunique, on the Pick and Mix, they tend to go quite quickly. So it's definitely worth checking out day by day if you haven't checked them out recently. Anyway, I am rambling. I will tell you what I've got this month myself. So I haven't opened this yet. Let's do that together now. And in here you get a little bit of information about your pick and mix. So it basically says you can pick 5 new products. And then it says, don't forget to check your dispatch email to claim back the cost of the shipping off your new haul. Or your next haul, sorry. So yes, that's definitely worth doing. Okay, so in all honesty, I can't actually remember most of the things I picked up, so I'm just going to dig deep and show you. I think a lot of the ones I picked are smaller samples this month, but they were products that I was wanting to try. So the biggest sachet I got this month is this mane and tail shampoo and conditioner little duo set. Now I've seen a lot of not Birchbox, but Glossybox and things. I think they pop these in, but I've never actually tried it myself. But I think you can use it on yourself, and I think you can maybe use it on horses. I think that's why it's mane and tail. Don't quote me on it. Oh no, there are directions for human use and directions for animal use on here. So that's definitely interesting. Jake isn't getting any of this. This is for me. I just thought I'd try it, but basically it says then that it's an exclusive, original, highly concentrated formula with unique action that helps to maintain and achieve longer looking, healthier mane and tail. The original mane and tail can be used, conditioner can be used as a leave-in or rinse out to get your desired look. Oh, that's the conditioner I was reading. For some reason I thought that was the shampoo. And the shampoo says, an exclusive original formula containing high lathering cleansing agent, fortified with moisturizers and emollients. Our micro-enriched protein formula provides down-to-the-skin cleansing action and conditioning, leaving the hair soft and shiny. So I'd heard nice things about this before, and I thought, I've never tried it myself, I'll pick it up. The sample size wasn't crazy small, to be honest. Oh gosh. Dropping it, I would say you're gonna get like a decent use out of this. Depending on how much hair you have, you might even get 2 uses out of this, I think. I've got a fair amount, so this might just do for 1 use. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, let's dig deep in here again. And I've got another couple of sachets. These ones are from This Works, and it's Morning Expert Open Eyes and Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. And it says that the Morning Expert Open Eyes is basically anti-blue light, glide on skin support for wide awake eyes. I thought that just sounded amazing. And the Hyaluronic Serum is 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C that should help plump and brighten morning skin. So I just thought that sounded like a really, really nice kind of morning routine. I tend to use the Revolution Skincare hyaluronic acid and caffeine serum on a morning under my eyes, and I really like that. But this was just something a little bit different, and you know, This Works is a decent brand, so I just thought I'll grab those to try. Next product then, actually I'll show you two of them. I picked up two different ones, and they are by Terry. And I've heard really nice things about this brand. I think Emma's Rectangle talks about them a lot on her channel. Not necessarily these exact products, but I'd never tried anything from them before. And I saw they had a few different bits and bobs on the Feelunique this month. So I thought, yeah, I'll give them a try. I didn't really know, like I say, it's not been the best recently. I haven't seen anything on it that's blown me away. So I want to try these. And basically they are both brightening CC serums. Wow, that's cool. CC serums. One of them is, what's the difference? Because there was a difference. One of them is Immaculate Light, and the other one is a Rose Elixir. And basically it just says, I think the same thing for both of them, is you apply in the morning on the entire face, alone or before foundation, for a smooth and intensely brightening skin. So it's kind of like a primer and like a brightening, illuminating one. So I thought it sounded really nice. And like I said, I've heard really nice things about the brand, but never tried anything. So Feelunique is great that way. When they do the pick and mix services, you can try brands and products that you've never used before. So I think it's really useful that way on. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying those then. Lastly then, and this is possibly our biggest sample this month, it's in a nice little pot. And we have this Lumen Valo Glow Reveal Moisturizer containing vitamin C. And I've had products from this brand before in Birchbox, and I've always really enjoyed them. So they come from Finland. Let's see, I don't think there's an awful lot of information. The bottom basically just says, apply to the face and neck after cleansing. It's a moisturizer, it's got vitamin C in it, and it just sounded really, really nice. And we get 15 mils in here, so I thought that was a decent little sample. It's a really good travel size. Oh, it's sealed up, so that's really nice. Yeah, like I say, you can get gems on there. That's great. That's like a travel size thing, so you're probably getting a good amount of money's worth in there. Yeah, it's always good as well, I suppose, if you're going away somewhere just for the weekend or something, you can, you know, that'll do you for the weekend. You've got your shampoo, you've got some moisturizer, you've got serum to wake you up, and you've got your Radiance primer to kind of prime your face. So I think, yeah, for $3.99 to have a weekend of face care and hair care, that's really, really good. So yes, I will link the Feelunique Pick and Mix service below if you want to check it out yourself. Then make sure you do that. Like I say, it can be hit and miss, but you know, sometimes there are some amazing things on there. Something just moved up there. Anyway, yes, you can get some fantastic things on there. I think it's definitely worth checking out. And like I said, if there's brands on there you haven't heard of before, rather than buying a big product from them, then it lets you try them without buying them, really. And you get the $3.99 back. Make sure you remember to do that. Okie dokie then, so that was my Feelunique Pick and Mix samples for this month. If you've enjoyed the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.